Hi, I'm Jay, and in this video I'm making a drawer for the TV unit I made in my last video. There's a link to that in the description box. I had most of the pieces pre-cut in one direction at the shop that I bought the wood from. Here I'm cutting the second direction using my circular saw and a clamp down ruler as a guide to keep it straight. After cutting all of the pieces to the right sizes, I marked the fixing points where I pre-drilled holes for screws. Laying out the pieces like this makes it really easy to mark all the positions at once. I didn't want any fixings showing on the front face, so I fixed this from the underside using pocket hole screws. I didn't mind visible fixings on this project on the back and sides, as when the drawer's closed you won't see them anyway. You could always fill the holes and sand them flush afterwards. I also countersunk all the screw heads on the back and sides. I didn't glue any of the pieces initially to make sure it all came together as expected, but later disassembled the whole thing, added glue and reassembled it. Now I'm using the intersection point between the diagonals on the front to find the centre and drill a hole through the hardware. I clamped a piece underneath to prevent blowout. The drawer was finished in the same way as the TV unit. A single coat of clear, matte, polyurethane based varnish, followed by a light sanding followed by 2 more coats. This gives the piece ample protection whilst keeping the aesthetic of plywood.